channel. Thanks so much for clicking on today's video. It is going to be all about a luxury unboxing, which I have been sitting on for a number of weeks now. If you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, please do go and hit that subscribe button. I will pop it up on the screen here, my Instagram handle. Please go and follow me there. You would have seen that a few weeks back, I went shopping with a couple of my friends to a few different stores, one of them being the Versace boutique. And I picked up a really beautiful item from the boutique. Yes, I am a person that loves a good deal. This Versace boutique was having a sale and I picked this item up for 60% off. And it was a huge deal because this particular item is not something that you would ever expect to go on sale because it is an absolute classic. Now, I also have an Hermes unboxing as well, but that particular item, that piece, only one of those was imported into Australia. So in the whole of Australia, I'm the only one that has this particular item. And so it's a very special purchase for me. So I'm really excited to show you guys. Please stay tuned for my Hermes unboxing next week, or knowing me, 2 weeks from now. I am so sorry guys, my life has been absolutely hectic. I have been working till midnight, like almost every day for my day job. And for those of you that don't know, I am a lawyer by day. So please forgive me, my hours can get really crazy. But for those that have hit subscribe and have stuck with me, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. You guys actually have no idea how much it means to me that there are people out there clicking on my videos, watching it, commenting, liking. It's actually a huge deal for me. So anyways, without further ado, I really want this to be a short video. I'm going to get to the unboxing and then I'll show you guys the item. All right, guys. So I am going to, so this is the shopping bag and I don't get a box. So that might give you a clue as to what it is. And I'm going to pop this out. It is in a, let's just that down. In a garment bag. So yes, it is a garment. I had no intention when I went shopping with my friends of buying anything. I was like, they wanted to buy stuff and I was like, oh yeah, I'll just tag along and see what's out there. And I came across this and I was instantly taken away. I was like, I have to get that. Not only is it an absolute classic, but it was 60% off. So, it is, oh my gosh, guys. Look at this. Oh my God. So I'm gonna show you the details up close. So you guys can see this like Baroque pattern, absolutely beautiful. It has as well a hood on it. It actually is detachable. You guys can see that there is a zipper here. On the hood, the collar, there is these two beautiful gold buttons that protect your neck. And you guys can see that there is this beautiful like gold detailing on the buttons. Like how stunning is that? And then you've got obviously your zipper here. And then you also have an elastic belt as well. And look at that beautiful belt. And yeah, so like this whole black and gold theme, which is kind of like my choice for the outfit today. I'll take you guys through my outfit and then I'll put this on and show you guys this jacket. But basically with my outfit, I am wearing complete gold, right? I have my, for accessories, I have my Hermes H pendant in rose gold. And then I have my Cartier solid yellow gold ring from Cartier with a single diamond. I am also wearing my Hermes hinged bracelet. That's what it is. I unboxed this a little while ago as well. So I'll show you that. Absolutely beautiful, plated in yellow gold. I am also wearing a gold ring from Versace that I got for like $100, and this is gold tone, so I thought that would be really nice. And then for my watch, I am wearing the Filippo Loretti moon phase watch in gold, the blue dial. And this watch is stunning. I actually really love this watch. You know, they're not like a real watch brand, but that's fine. You're not paying for, you know, Patek Philippe or a Cartier or even an Hermes watch. You're paying for Filippo Loretti, which is kind of like the Daniel Wellingtons of the world, right? Like they're a brand that is fashionable, that has really good quality watches, and I have no regrets buying this. Oh, sorry, no, I did not buy this. This was a gift from Filippo Loretti. My promotion at the moment now is not in any way connected to them. They haven't asked me to do this. I just genuinely do like this watch, and I think for the price, it is worth it. And if you ask me, would I buy it myself, like with money from my own wallet? 100% I would. So yes, this is my full gold tone outfit, and I will show you guys my outfit while I kind of like yap away a little bit more. So basically, guys, I think that this jacket is actually a really good purchase, because first of all, like I've said, it is a classic style. It's a classic piece. You can't go wrong with this Versace Baroque print, this pattern, and it's not like over the top in your face. There was a period of time, maybe a few years ago, with Logomania. I've never really liked Logomania. I thought that was a bit too in your face. I'm more of an Hermes person, where it's like top-notch quality, sophisticated, demure, understated, but just like really truly luxurious, good quality. That's kind of my style. I do obviously have a few Logomania pieces, but you know, that's when I want to make a splash or make a statement. So this piece is really good because it's not like Versace, like in your face throwing its logo, but it's just kind of got this loud pattern. And for those people that don't know the pattern, won't really know that it's Versace, and it's just kind of like, oh, I could have gotten this from Zara, for example. Because I actually do have a t-shirt from Zara with a very similar print. So yes, this is not really a Logomania purchase. This is more kind of just like a really classic print. For those who know, will know. And so if you do come across this piece on sale, pick it up. It is absolutely a must purchase for anyone and everyone. And it is not a delicate piece. That is the other reason why I think you should purchase this, because it's not a delicate piece. You can wear this in the snow, you can wear this in the rain, you can wear this you know, when it's really windy. Take this jacket as a skiing jacket, you know, go to the snow with it, whatever it is. That's what it's built for. It is a down-filled jacket with silk/polyester lining, so it's not fully silk, because if it was, it would be a little bit more delicate and less weatherproof. It is a silk mix with polyester, and down-filled jackets are obviously known to be weatherproof. You know, they are there to keep you warm, they're there to make you sweat when you're in, like when you're wrapped up all nice and warm, like you're just covered in this beautiful soft blanket. So yes, please, you know guys, 100% recommend buying this jacket. I think it is absolutely fabulous. And that's it, guys. A really short and sweet video. So thank you guys so much for your patience with me. You know, you guys, I know, have been waiting so long for my videos to come out, and I keep promising a regular schedule, but I'm so sorry. You know, my day job is just absolute insanity. So I thank you guys again so much for sticking by me, and if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do, because next week I have the beautiful Hermes unboxing that I'm going to do, because that is a stunning item that deserves an unboxing of its own. So yes, thank you guys so much, and with that, I'm going to sign off. See you guys in the next one. Bye!